Hi, I'm Tammy at All About Living, and today we're going to have pan-seared chicken and pasta with a little bit of use it or lose it broccoli and some cream sauce. So let's get started. Okay, for the chicken, just to pan-sear the chicken, you're going to need some pepper, some salt, some garlic powder, and some onion powder. And that's going to be it, and a little bit of olive oil to dress the bottom of the pan. Okay, we're going to season up the chicken, and we're going to start with the skin side. And salt and pepper is all relative. That depends on you and how much you want. I think something just happened in my pepper grinder, y'all. There it goes. Now we're grinding. Gonna hit it with the salt. Little garlic. Now we're going to put a little onion powder. And so we don't waste, I'm just going to rub this chicken around on this and get it all around all sides. And if I need some more, I can always add. Okay, now we're going to get it in the frying pan. Okay. We're going to want a low flame for this, because these are real thick pieces of chicken, and if I try to do it on anything other than low, it won't cook inside. So we're going to go with a low flame, get our pan hot, and then we'll get a little olive oil. Okay, now we're going to put 3 or 4 tablespoons of olive oil in here. And then let's move it around a little bit. Make sure it's all over. And then skin side down, always skin side down. I don't know why, but my granny said always skin side down. Even if you're putting chicken in the oven with skin, you put it skin side down. So it's the way I do it. Now we're just going to get our lid on there, and we're going to leave it on that side probably 15 to 20 minutes. Alright, it's time to flip, so we're going to get this turned over. Put that lid back on and just let it continue to cook down. Okay, it's been another 10 minutes or so, and I'm piercing with a fork, and my juice is running clear. So at this point, I'm going to take them out and set them on a platter. I have all those pan juices in there, and I'm going to add a couple of tablespoons of pesto. And I'm just going to give that a stir. And I'm going to take this use it or lose it broccoli and drop it right in there. Okay, that goes to the chickens. And I'm going to put that lid back on and let that broccoli soften up. Okay, now at this point, you'll want to start you some pasta. I'm going to use some wide egg noodles today and just follow the directions on the package and use, I'm going to use like a half a pack for Randy and I. For a family, you probably need the whole pack. Just you be the judge. Okay, it's been 5 minutes or so. My broccoli's starting to soften up a little, so I'm going to take it right out of this and just set it in this bowl. Okay, now we're going to get started on our sauce, which I'm going to do right over the stove. You're going to need 2 cups of half and half, or you can use milk. Okay, now I'm going to turn my eye up just a little bit to a medium. I don't want to boil my half and half, but I do want it to come up to a simmer. Okay, we're starting to get thick now. And I'm going to add some cheese. You can use any kind of cheese you like. You can use, this is a shaved blend, which is Asiago, Parmesan, and Romano. But you can use any one of those individually, or you can use some mozzarella, you can use Fontina. It really doesn't matter. And I'm just going to do a couple of handfuls and let that melt. Okay, now that my cheese is melted, I'm going to put that broccoli back in there. And I'm going to turn the eye back down to low. And I'm going to add my pasta, which is stuck to the bowl now. And just drop it in there like that. It'll loosen up in the sauce. If you don't think that's enough sauce, you can always add a little bit more, half and half. And what you're doing now, if you just made your pasta's plenty hot, you're good to go. I had made my pasta a little bit in advance because it's kind of late, and so I need for mine to warm up. I'm all done. I'm all warmed up. Let's get us a plate. Okay, on our channel, we really strive to show you how to make really easy meals from your pantry. No fancy ingredients, things that after you watch the video, you almost remember or do remember everything that went in it and how I did it. And it just makes life so much easier. And I hope y'all enjoyed this one. I hope you try it and y'all come back and see me. Bye.